If your SEO strategy were a fishing net, think of long-tail keywords as those fine meshes that catch the big fish. Dive into the world of SEO and you'll quickly find that not all keywords are created equal. While generic keywords are the wide nets cast far and wide, long-tail keywords are the specialized tools that draw in the traffic that matters most to your business. Why? Because long-tail keywords are typically longer, more specific phrases which your potential customers are using when they're closer to a point of purchase or when they're using voice search. They may be less common, but they pack a punch with high intent and less competition. For example, instead of targeting baking supplies using a long-tail keyword like affordable non-stick silicone baking mats, not only narrows down the search but also attracts visitors who are more likely to convert. And here's where Authority Solutions steps in. With a keen understanding of advanced SEO strategies, Authority Solutions harnesses the power of long-tail keywords to elevate your site's relevance and visibility, ensuring you draw not just more traffic, but the right traffic. So, ready to refine your SEO approach with long-tail keywords? Dive deeper, target smarter, and watch your site's authority soar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights that could skyrocket your SEO game.